So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So based on the title below, you guys already know what's about to take place. So we back with another video, and I'm gonna tell you what I want for the food today. When I think about it, obviously I cook game all the time because it's my son, but today I want for him to rate the food and tell you guys what I want. So I'm gonna find out how the young man feel. Alright, ready. So today we have baked chicken, mashed potato, and little vegetable. These days, like, I'm kind of tired of almost every. These days, like, I'm kind of tired of almost every kind of food, so I just think about something simple. I just made something simple today. Where you laugh for? Then this real? What can go so? It is my Irish start laugh. Someone where you laugh for? Let me turn over the table. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna eat my food. Yeah, so like I say, nothing fussy. But this is my dinner for today: baked chicken, mashed potato, and vegetable, of course, as you guys can. Alright, the only thing I see it is so far the Irish. What one?
You feed me like my diabetes or something. It's fresh. Fresh like your mother food.
Hold on, my glasses are drop off. What is that diabetic food?
This something I eat right now.
What, the Irish?
Everything. You just taste the chicken and the Irish. You didn't even put nothing else for it.
My food, guys, first things first, I don't use salt because I know I'm gonna high blood pressure.
Yeah,
So, if I can't talk about, we'll just fix the issue right there. I don't use salt. My food tastes like a dope boy. Maybe my prank me. I could have never break. I'm gonna cook my food every day until my oil tastes good. I prank.
Not today. You know what you think you do, but you never done. Still like eat it, but
You can cook?
yeah.
We can cook. The last time I checked, fried egg, I'm not cooking. Alright, you know what?
I'm not cook
I'm not gonna get upset because I asked for your opinion. So may I make you do your thing. Right? But I feel like you troll me. And every at that time when I cook my food, I tell me oh, it tastes good and all of these things. So this is why I want to know what I want to do. Alright, the Irish fresh. I saw him feel about it. What I want for the chicken.
We said the food tastes fresh. Just eat the chicken and the Irish.
See, I said chicken fresh too.
Everything from the plate just tastes fresh. Fresh like vegetable on a plate.
Now I eat my food, I will live long and healthy.
You gotta try to kill me.
Oh, fresh food I'll kill
I
you.
drop nothing in. You gotta give me fresh food. You said about old people, you gotta drop my blood pressure. Something like that.
I don't even know what to do with myself no more. My whole vibe just changed. Guys, I call this a mukbang. I'm just eat my food and I rate my own food. The disrespect is real. I'm not bother with him no more.
So all your food tastes to you then?
My food tastes good.
You gotta say that because of your food.
I'm not just say it because of my food. Alright. Let me tell you, alright, I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. The mashed potato is fresh because like I told you guys, I don't use salt. I agree with that. But normally, because I know that the meat and gravy have a substitute for that, I'm not worry about it because I deliberately don't want to put too much salt in my food, so I deliberately do that. But as it relates to the chicken though, my chicken not fresh. I feel like I just try to shame up on the big internet. I'm gonna feel disrespected. Every day I'm gonna cook the boy come and say, oh, the food bad.
That
So,
even true.
what want?
That even true.
This have to be a prank.
The food needs some salt now. Or some hot pepper at least. No, not tasting it. It's
See the
like
hot pepper,
water.
they use the old buckle. Sit up on the table.
Not too hot. Let's see what I feel. I know what you call this a meal. Meal for the better. When me cook, me make better food than this.
People, him can't cook.
I like shit there.
Make my food.
We cook oxtail.
Giant, go and cook your food. Lies.
Can't tell me style like that.
I get up every morning, cook breakfast to look a boy. And every day I'm interested in him dinner, him can't cook. But
Right,
she's
right,
saying, and him did say he said disrespect my food, him can't cook.
We cook every other day.
In my head, I still gonna say it's a prank, I'm could have bright so because my way can't cook. I have to eat fresh food, but now make you kill me. I'm gonna eat the food like I'm upset, you know. I don't like this to me. I not upload that video, yeah. It's never turned out the way I really wanted. The disrespect is real. This man can't cook a class, yo. What can go so in a Derek Vice?
I want it dairy.
So what can for the vegetable?
You know some eat that last.
But people don't want to know, but that's actually anyways. Because vegetable is vegetable. I don't really do nothing special to it. Because another thing about me, guys, is like I don't really like fancy things as it relates to my vegetables or so. Just the regular stuff. So I'm going to say that if you would like a second. Anyway, I'm saying nothing but I say I lie your tail.
The vegetable supposed
Because I never do nothing to the vegetable. I know I'm just a say. So I ask you again, how you really feel about my chicken? If I'm not feel
the
satisfied.
chicken fresh. Fresh like vegetable. Like man, I'm vegan meat.
We're going to address the elephant in the room. So on a scale of 1 to 10, all the food tastes them.
Still get the you get on one for every.
Move your dibby block.
My name DVD.
Move. But a prank you try prank me. A prank you prank me.
Your food tastes like water.
A prank you prank me. A prank you prank me. Me not believe you. I'm going where you go.
Best believe it.
So let's be real now because people them want to hear. I'm back come to them on social media and social media and she can't cook. All food tastes. You joking at me?
I'm serious. I don't know.
I need to choke. What you say?
No, yeah.
Talk loud, them can't hear. Talk loud for people them in at the back, all fat.
Them can't hear me.
Them can't hear more than them hear.
Them hear me.
I never talk about upload that video, I feel really disappointed and disrespected.
They are.
Oh child, what can go so? Right.
For real.
Oh yeah, to put them in taste lower.
That's the food you ever want.
But like I said guys, it wasn't nothing really fussy because I'm tired of everything. So just some plain little baked chicken, mashed potato, little vegetable and so. And I wanted his opinion. He always tell me some food tastes good, so I know that could be real. I must camera trick, what can go so you could have mad. And in a 5 minutes film plate at the cleanest. And I drink water because he doesn't drink, my son doesn't drink juice. Like, him only drink water. Only drink water. Can swear my the LTS. So just to let you guys know, and I can't afford the juice, him only drink water. But you need to taste the vegetable because them want your opinion on that too.
No old vegetable tea, sorry. Vegetable tea is the same table.
I don't know, I don't be eating all about the food because like I say, it's like I have no appetite. I just eat, these days I eat because I know I have to eat. Hey! I eat because I know I would sure. I eat because I know I have to eat, but really and truly it's like, I'm just tired. I'm just tired of everything. So, but there you have it, guys. So, okay. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do you think about the food?
Get a 1. Get a 1.
But not laugh for you.
But not for laughing.
But not laugh for you.
But
You
not
try
for
disrespect my food. Make sure you get that one every day because I'm not putting no more food. Where you go with the tomato? I'm going to app down the food. Don't worry. No, what are you doing? I forgot you. You're too crazy, man. Wait, what are you doing though? We gotta spit out the food?
No.
Guys, I'm gonna make one of the rock, paper, scissors. So we're gonna let the audience make one of the rock, paper, scissors video that I'm gonna say everybody I make with the food. Cause I know that I got funny. I'm kinda afraid doing it because I don't want to choke or vomit or it's not gonna do how I want it. But I'm craving. So I know I'm gonna do everything, but I don't know, I find it very interesting and fascinating, so I'm gonna do that. But get the food I'm my food, so I'm gonna rate it now. I'm give it a 10 because the mashed potato fresh, but I'm telling the reason why I'm gonna do that. So, one two. You hot? Well, you can turn on the AC when you finish, but I'm gonna turn on the AC because it's gonna make no one a nice number background. So hey. So guys, like I said, you can give us more video ideas in the comment section. Somebody give me a video idea the other day about rating.
We're not that.
Let your son rate your outfit or something like that.
Why?
Why?
Outfit, that is weird.
That's not weird. I know lingerie.
Not weird.
I know lingerie. Yeah. Anyways, but like I said, guys, you guys can continue to drop suggestions in the comments below, and of course, have a great day. The place is hot for true though, and see you guys in the next video. And welcome to the new people. I see a few people subscribe, so thank you very much for that. Have a great day, guys, and bye.